Hi, this is April Schumer, and I'm going to show you my time travel application. This is basically a radar to determine where an individual is, and it uses GPS. If you click down here or click to the other screen, you can use this little airplane. This basically goes through and asks you about how you're going to be traveling to the airport. It will have a drop down box, and then it carries forward the information. It will ask you about the number of people traveling, how many children, if there's any disabilities, things of that nature. And then you can click wants to determine if you want to select the airport or the city, or determine what's around you, and then of course what airline you're going to be traveling. So there's also other considerations, travel history, weather delays, any pit stops, things of that nature. This is my preference page, and basically it wants to know if if you have TSA or clear timing to get you through security faster. So these are the preferences, and you can turn them on or off, or add or delete. This lets you know that you can make requests verbally or by text, and all the pertinent information, to trigger response is in the yellow. And here you'll put in who's traveling, how many adults, disabilities, how many children. Each disabled or elderly adult adds 5 minutes to the commute time from point to point. Each child traveling adds 10 minutes to the travel. So, and then each adult subtracts 2.5 minutes. So if you're traveling with 4 adults and 7 kids, then you would end up having to add 25 minutes to your commute time. And here we have, calculating our time travel and transportation to the airport, and then the number of people traveling, distance traveling, and the total time that it takes. Everything is highlighted in yellow. And with your final screen, with your totals of the calculator. Thanks. I hope you enjoyed it.